Hi, we're the Flying Brothers. This is our first video. Please like, and we don't know a name for that paper airplane we're going to be making it. So please subscribe in the subscription and think of a name for this airplane right here. So this is the one that we're going to be making. So please think of a name, and we'll pronounce the winner on who we thought the best name was for. Okay? So you're going to need a piece of paper, and then you're going to need scissors, just for part of it. So then you have this, okay? So you see these dots, like these area. There's a little dotted line that if you look closely to, and then you got to cut that off, okay? And then I'll show you what it should mostly, surely look like. Don't, okay? Almost there. It's just it's somehow harder for me to use this with the bigger scissors. Okay, when you're done, it should look like this. Okay, and then the part that you cut off should look like this. It doesn't have to be exactly like this. It doesn't matter if it has more dots, as long as it has a straight line and has at least dots on it. That's how you know you cut off the right part. Okay, you see this? This part to this part, if you fold that, it's like a hamburger, okay? But if you fold it the other way, or you fold it from this end, from this middle part, all the way over to the other side, and it looks like this, it's like a hot dog. Okay? We're going to be doing it the hamburger way, or cheeseburger, depending on how you want to say. And you fold it in half. Okay? You should see, just to make sure, you should see a little bite at the top, at the right corner. Okay? And then you open it back up, so it should look like this, like a book. Okay? Now what you're going to do, and I'll show you quick. I just need to do it quick. Okay.
Crash landing.
So when you're done, it should look like this. And see that? And there's space apart a little bit, just so I can make it. So that little space in there is the middle. Okay. And then you're gonna open up this flap right here. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do quick. I just need to make it.
And quick. When you're at the end, when it's all finished,
then you should be able to.
You should probably design at the bottom.
Maybe. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this. Well, that part. And then you could close this flap. Huh?
Put stickers.
And then you do the same thing with the other side. So you just fold it down, okay? Hang on. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this. I'll give you a few seconds to look at it so you can pause it. So it should look like this. Okay? And so then when you're done, you should fold it like this. Okay? Not like this, like this. Okay? I'm going to do it quick because it's easier to do it on a table. And remember at the start when I told you there should be like a little bite? Well, it should. So when it looks like this, you should look at the bottom like this, and it should have a little bite right there. Okay? There you go. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to properly aim your wings. Well, not like aim them, but like not properly. Then your wing, it should be angled like that. Okay? And then you're going to do it with the other side. So I'm going to do that now. So then it should look like this. Okay? But if you recognize, hang on. Where is it?
What?
Paper airplane.
Mine? Right here.
Actually, never mind.
This one.
Forget about if you recognize.
If you recognize this one.
You can make it like this, or you can cut off the edge right here if you want to, like this. Then it should be like this big, okay? And then there you have it. So like, don't chuck it as hard as you can, and don't throw it too light. Throw like a medium way. So then like this. I'm not gonna throw it actually, but like that, okay?
So pretend that it's a glide. You glide it.
Yeah. Okay, it's like a glider. So make sure to think of a name for this. Like it, subscribe our first video, and we'll be creating another one soon. So, we're the Flying Brothers, and that was how to create one of these paper airplanes. We'll be creating more. Okay.
In and
See
out.
ya.